Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign up Airtable account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in airtable.com/sign up, press enter. Now after doing that, you can see over here you'll be led to the official sign up interface of Airtable. From here you'll be able to create the account for yourself. You can either create your account with your email, or you can also continue with single sign on, or you can also continue with Google or Apple. So simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to continue with email. So for that, what you have to do is click on the field of email. Now provide your work email over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now after you enter the email address, click on this option continue with email that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to create your profile. What you have to do is enter your first name over here. Enter your first and last name. Now create a password for yourself. Make sure to create a strong password. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on the sign up option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account will easily be created. So that is how you create Airtable account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.